How's it going, everybody? This is Sandra, Wright, and today I'm going to talk to you about a company that I've joined. And the reason I joined this company was because I had been suffering with sciatica, which is a pain that goes down your back, down to your hip, down to your leg, and also arthritis. So I was looking for something natural to relieve the pain. So I was on vacation in Vegas, and they have dispensaries, all over the place. And I wasn't into marijuana, but I heard about CBD and the benefits that it has. So I went there and I tried out some of the products there. And after I bought the product, of course, it ran out. But before that, I saw some advertisements on Facebook about CBD. So I partnered with a company, and it's called Liv Labs. And what the CBD product has been doing for me is relieving me of inflammation in my body. And since August, I haven't had any pain in my back or in my knees because of CBD. And this is the product here. It's called Hydro Pro. And this particular CBD is a water soluble, meaning it's not oily, and because our body is made up of water, when you take this product, it goes right into your system right away. So you're not waiting a couple of days or even a couple of hours. Within 15-20 minutes, this product starts working right away. Also, another reason I like this company, they have samples that you can purchase. You can purchase this through my website for $20, and I'll be glad to send it to you. But CBD is a product that's has been out for years, but the government made it seem like it was like a drug. The difference between hemp and marijuana is the THC, and the CBD doesn't have any THC at all, so you will not be getting high off of this product. You will feel good because what it does, it makes you relax. It has a calming effect to it. So people who suffer from anxiety and depression, it will get a lot of benefits from this product. And once again, like I was saying, the government made, even with marijuana, makes it seem like it's really a bad thing to do, but it has health benefits behind it. So now this current time, I believe last month, they passed the Farm Bill, which took CBD off of the high drug policies, and now you can buy this without any problem. Excuse me. So I wanted to just give you somewhat of a review on what CBD has been, how it's been helping me. And I can tell you today, I'm not suffering any pain in my body whatsoever. So if you would like to know more about this product, I will leave my link below so that you can connect with me on Facebook, and subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to see more videos like these, hit the bell, and when I put up another video, you will be notified. Once again, my name is Sandra Wright, and thanks for visiting my channel. Take care.